Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on when and where you're watching. Welcome back to Guided by Faith Designs, presents woodworking and painting and faith. Today we are going to do something I haven't done in a very long time, and that is going to be a wet paper towel swipe. We're using a different pouring medium recipe today, and then actually each one of these colors is a different recipe because I want to see how they all react. So all of that's going to be in the description. I'm going to try and tell you what I'm doing as I'm doing it with which one is which. All of these colors have the Jacquard clear pouring top coat as a base, and they are all mica powders. So I haven't been too happy with my mica powder mixtures. I feel like they are dulling. And so I decided just to try a new recipe and just grabbed that, and we are going to see how it goes. Let me grab the mica powder so I can show you. This one right here is going to be the Unicorn Art Peacock Green. I believe I got that one on Amazon. The Jacquard Pearl X Interfarance Blue. I also got that on Amazon. I have this little Piggy Sapphire, which is my favorite mica powder blue. And then this color over here is our Let's Resin Mica Powder Dark Purple. Got this one in a set on Amazon as well. This little Piggy, I'll put the link down in the description. Not sponsored by them or anything, I just really like their products. And so I will put the link in the description to the USA where you can purchase, and then I think they also have a separate Australian site, but I think on their websites they actually tell you that. Our base is going to be a black, and so it's going to be the Artist Loft black, and mixtures. Our pouring medium for the base is going to be a mixture of GAC 800, Floetrol, and what else did I put in there? GAC 800, Floetrol, oh, and our Jacquard clear pouring top coat. And then in these, the purple, I have it written down. The purple is going to be the Jacquard clear pouring top coat and the Base C Infinity paint. The deep blue is going to be the Jacquard clear pouring top coat and Australian Floetrol. The turquoise is the Jacquard pouring medium, or top coat, and regular Floetrol, American Floetrol. And then the Interfarance blue is, of course, the clear pouring top coat, and then the GAC 800 Floetrol mix. So each one of them is different. Mixture ratios are down in the description. Again, we are doing a wet paper towel swipe. I need a drink of coffee. Whew. I'm trying flavored coffee, and I'm still trying to get used to it. I'm used to just straight regular black coffee, and flavored coffee is different. Okay, so for the wet paper towel swipes, I just took some paper towels, I cut them up. I have different levels or different sizes available to swipe with, and they are just slightly damp. So when you're doing a wet paper towel swipe, you don't want them dripping wet, really, really wet. You also don't want to squeeze them because then you're going to get indentions in your paper towels. I just stack them up just like this. I put some water in a spray bottle, and I just spray them down until they are damp but not wet. And that's how I do my paper towels. And I think that's it. So I kind of have an idea in my mind of what I want it to look like. We will see if we can get there. So I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. I do have the canvas on a Lazy Susan, so that we don't have to do like swipes this way. We can pull everything towards us, which gives us a more fluid pulling. Okay, so I'm going to get everything moved out of the way, and we will get started. All right, we are done. I'm going to leave it just like this. I've been contemplating whether I wanted to do a vein of this turquoise right here to kind of pull them in together, but I'm really worried I'm going to mess something up if I do. So I'm going to leave it right here. I really liked this experiment because it shows how the different consistencies work. The purple was our our base C, which was a lot thicker. So the purple was our thickest mica powder mixture. And you can see how it's celled up a lot. They actually look like a whole bunch of little boobs. How it's celled up, but once you get, and I'll pull the camera down, but once you get into here, you can see that really fine detail of the turquoise, because the Australian Floetrol, the Floetrol, and the GAC Floetrol mix are so much thinner. You can see how we got cells and we got lacing by a lot of that stuff. So far, my favorite is the turquoise and the blue, and those are going to be our Australian Floetrol and our regular Floetrol. Those did really, really well. So I think it's very interesting. I'm going to leave it just like it is, and we are going to see how it dries. I did want to share, so I have been playing around with, it's an app called Mirror Lab, and it does really, really cool stuff. So that painting that I did yesterday, which was a fail, but a successful fail, I guess if you can call it that, which is this painting. It's called Lost at Sea. And, you know, yesterday when I did that video, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it in the description. Talks about how, you know, that's kind of where I'm at right now with everything that's happened in our lives and everything we're dealing with, and the grief and my recovery from my shoulder surgery and everything. But then when I put it into Mirror Lab and I did an alteration on it, this is what I got. And it just reminds me that in every situation, focus on God, and He is at the center of everything. He is at the center of your universe. And I'm calling that digital print His presence. And I actually already ordered a print for it. I put it into Photoshop, manipulated it where I could make it bigger, and I ordered a 16 by 20. We're picking it up today. I'm super excited. So yeah, once I get this done, at the end of this video, I will put them in Mirror Lab manipulation, and we can see what we get. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Hit the little notification button so you can be notified when I do new videos. Go check out our Facebook group, Paint Pouring for Christ, a place where like-minded individuals can come together, share our art, love on God, prayer requests, all of that. Also go check out my new YouTube channel, The Nerd Den, where I do all of my nerdy stuff as I get ready for Comic-Con and make gaming dice and all that fun stuff. So thank y'all very much for watching. I am blessed to be back, and I appreciate everybody's prayers and reaching out about, you know, what we're going through with losing my father and losing Kitty Toe and my shoulder surgery and just everything in the past 6 months. So thank y'all. Love y'all. Y'all are a blessing to me and my life and our family. And I will see y'all in the next video. As always, God bless.